If your client filed a 1040X, here is how to track it on the transcript. Code 977 means an amended return was filed. It confirms the IRS received the amended return and it entered the system. The date next to 977 is when it was logged. But 977 alone does not mean it has been processed. Amended returns can take 16 weeks or longer. To check progress, look for code 290 or 291 after the 977. Code 290 means additional tax was assessed as a result of the amendment. Code 291 means a reduction in tax, which usually means a refund is coming. If you see 846 after 291, the amended return refund was issued. If you see 570 after 977, the amended return is being held for review. The most common mistake is filing an amended return and then calling the IRS after 2 weeks. The transcript will show 977 quickly, but processing codes take time. Tell your client to wait at least 8 weeks before expecting movement.
Transcript Tax Monitor protracts amended return processing from 977 through resolution. Free code lookup in the description.